In addition to herbal teas, there are a variety of supplements that can promote better sleep. One of the most well-known is melatonin, an hormone that is naturally produced by the body to regulate sleep. Melatonin supplements can be helpful for those who struggle with falling asleep or staying asleep throughout the night. Other supplements can promote relaxation and sleep, including magnesium, which can help relax the muscles, calm the mind, and there are a few other things. Now, if you decide to explore the supplement world, you again talk to a professional, a naturopathic doctor. Look it up in your area. Naturopathic doctor, expertise on sleep supplement. Yeah, check out those things. Don't just take them because it can be more damaging than good. Always take anything that you take. Even just tea. Tea, it's okay, right? Chamomile is fine. You can drink chamomile, but an excess of too much, tea is fine. But those supplements and other things that come in pill forms, or they have herbal stuff in it, a medication that can be, you can over medicate. Okay, so it's easy. It's highly recommended to always seek professional help before doing any of those things. Here is another one, aromatherapy and essential oil. Aromatherapy can be helpful for promoting calmness and relaxation. Lavender, bergamot, and Roman chamomile are some of the most common essential oils and aromatherapy techniques used to promote relaxation and assist getting a good night's sleep. Now, it's important to know that the essential oil should be also used with caution. They should be properly diluted before use. If you have any allergies, medical conditions, again, always consult your healthcare professional before using essential oils.